If you're searching for new tips on how to get more views on your YouTube videos, then you're watching the right video, guys, because I'm going to show you not only one but 5 different tips that you should know on how to get and generate more traffic to your videos that you're publishing. I'm also going to give you at the end of this video a bonus tips that is going to help you out a lot. So keep watching and learn everything. Now, guys, do not forget to show us some support by subscribing and also turning on notification bell. Now let's get to the point of this video and see 5 tips to get more views. Now, guys, the first tip is leverage YouTube Studio. Now this go first of all to the studio. Now the studio of a YouTube channel is simply YouTube Studio, it's called, and you can find it on this little box over here when you click on it. And here you are going to go to the analytics. Now at the analytics, guys, you're going to check out all of the information about how many views you have got, the watch time, the subscribers, the content, the audience, and the research too. Now let's see together. If you know this kind of information, then you would also know what are the watchers or the subscribers seeking out in any type of video. So as you can see, I'm growing and I'm making a more better performance and I'm reaching out more people. So you can check out even at see more the traffic source, where it's coming from. You can see from the suggested videos, from YouTube search, from browse features, and in this way you will have a more general idea from where is coming your subscribers. You can also see the geography, from what country are mostly your YouTubers, your subscribers. You can also see the cities, the age of them, and also the gender and other information that can help you out on the content that you can publish. You can also check out the information on key moments for audience retention, also how viewers find your videos, and you can also see at the audience videos growing, other videos your audience has watched, the top graphics, and many more. So in this way, guys, gathering all of these analytics, getting all of this information can really help you out to analyze and see what your subscribers are seeking, what age they are, what type of content do they like, what is your most watched video, and things like this. So in this way, you will know how to drive more traffic to your videos. Now the option 2 is viral YouTube thumbnails. Now for this one, I'm going to get as an example Daily Dose of Internet. I really love the thumbnails that this YouTube channel has put out there because it attracts the attention of the people easily, because they are very unique and also make you wonder what is this video about, because they are weird thumbnails, very attractive thumbnails that grab your eyes and make you think what is this video about. So create a very big curiosity to people, and in this way they for sure are going to click on it. So you have to create and, let's say, be creative as possible with your thumbnails. Now, guys, the thumbnail doesn't have to be immediately related to what you're going to talk on the video. It can also be a little bit different, because in this way you can attract more attention. Now, for example, I'm going to get one of the thumbnails over here and download it over here at YouTube Thumbnail Grabber. And now I'm going to Imgur. Now, to Imgur, I'm going to create an post. Now, if you don't know what Imgur is, it's basically just like Instagram, in which you can find videos and photos of different things. And I'm going to create this post with the image, and I'm going to write: bus gets taken by a massive flood. Click the link for the full video, or click the link to watch the full video. And at the description, I'm going to put the link of the video. Now tell me, guys, how many people you would think that will click the video to watch this? Now the curiosity will be very big, because this is something horrifying, right? And they will be, how did this happen? What did they do? Did anyone saved? Is anyone alive from this? So they will be curious, and creating that curiosity to people is very good, because they will not resist and will have this temptation of watching the full video. So be very creative to your thumbnails, and you can share your thumbnails in other platforms to attract the attention of the people. Now, guys, the option 3 is creating title frameworks. Now, for this option, I have three different tips for you. So, the first one is challenging assumptions. You want to go to the opposite of what people think. So, that's gonna make people stop in their tracks, and it's also gonna make them have to click and figure it out what you are talking about. So, let's see this one example over here. On the thumbnail, we have how to get rich. So people will get immediately their thought in their mind that, oh, this video is going to show me how to get rich. But then they see the title who says, stop chasing money. And they will be confused because that's very contradictory. So in one way you say how to get rich, but in the other way you say stop chasing money. So in this way, it's going to create a very curiosity to them, and they want to check even more and see even more information to know why is this sentence so contradictory. So in this way, they're going to click on the video and watch it. Now, the second tip is move away from pain. Use this structure when relating a personal story. The key to the most effective use of this title formula is for the two words to dramatically contrast so that the curiosity factor goes way up and people feel compelled to watch your video. You could say how to get rich, how to live your dream life, how to ask a girl on a date, but moving away from pain is a little bit better. So do not go immediately for this type of titles. You can write down, for example, stop chasing money, it's so much better. So telling people to stop doing something that they are doing, in fact, because most of the people are chasing money, are trying to get rich, and they are doing that by chasing something. So when you tell to them, stop doing this, and they will stop a minute and they will think, oh, wait a second, probably I'm doing something wrong with my life. This is why I'm not getting rich. Now, the third one is open the loop. Opening a loop is starting a story but not finishing it. This is really good and always functions. What you'll have to do is just create a curiosity gap to people. And you can do that with the question, why? Why this is the most disturbing building in history? Or why is this the tallest person, or why is this like this? And they will be curious to know because you just created a curiosity gap to them, and they will want to go to the finished thing and see what is like that. So guys, challenging assumptions, move away from pain, and open the loop. These are the 3 tips about title framework. Now let's get to the option 4, creating blog posts. Now let's just take into consideration that we are posting about healthy tips, and we have gotten a video of someone doing exercises about 6 packs. Now we want to share and drive more traffic. How we can do so? Well, first of all, we can create a blog, and you can do that with the help of any word. Any word is such a magnificent generator that can create a blog post for you in 2 minutes. What you'll have to do is just follow up the tutorial, just follow the steps and generate all of the blog with a 1 click. As you can see, I've already created the blog for me, how to get 6 packs in 6 weeks. And now we have over here the blog and the information. Now, when people are going to read this because they want to know how, you're going to put a sentence like this. Click here to watch the video of 6 pack. You can write it exercises over here. Link of the video. And you can repeat this in every paragraph. Click here to know how to get the 6 packs. And you can do this repeatedly in each paragraph. So when people are going to read this, they will be like, okay, let's watch the video because it's probably going to give me a very valuable information, and will not resist and click on that, and will make you drive more traffic to your video. So share this blog on different blog websites, and you are going to see that people will be curious and they're going to click on the link. Now the 5th one is focus on the watch time. Let's go once again back to the channel analytics and let's go to the watch time. Now guys, the watch time should be higher. If it is higher, then you are doing great. Why so? Because you have to make your audience reach the end of the video. If you do so, then you have accomplished a big step on your YouTube channel. What you'll have to do to reach this out is to tell them they will get something at the end of the video. So you should give them a bonus tips, you should give them money, or you should give them a gift or a surprise or a shout out. Shout out are amazing, in fact. You can tell, for example, that at the end of this video, the person that is going to leave a comment in the next video, they're going to get a shout out of their YouTube channel. And you can do this repeatedly, and a lot of people are going to watch your videos. So trust me, just keep a track or keep attached your viewers, so in this way you're going to reach out more audience. Now guys, as I promised to you, I wanted to show you a bonus tips, and that is this amazing site that I've used myself too. It's designed to boost YouTube views. You can get free insights and guidance to keep your YouTube channel growing bigger and bigger, and I will truly suggest to you because it's being used by the biggest YouTube channels out there. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to give a like and also subscribe.